Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel with one more new video. I hope you all will be fine. Today in this video, I will tell you that how can you identify place values of different numbers step by step. Okay. Before starting my video, kindly subscribe my channel for more videos related to studies. Let's start the video. Yes, today's topic is place value. Objective: identify the place value of different numbers. Now first, you should know that what is the place value. Place value can be defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. Okay. Now here, first I will tell you that how can you identify the place value of two-digit numbers. Here you can see different two-digit numbers. Look at the first number. The first number is 13. Yes, and you know that in 13 there are 3 ones and there is only one 10. So the place of 3 is ones and the place of 1 is tens. Now the next number is 24. In 24 there are 4 ones and there are 2 tens. So the place of 4 is ones and the place of 2 is tens. Now look at the next number, 15. Yes, in 15 there are 5 ones. So the place of 5 is ones and there is only one 10. So the place of 1 is tens. Now next, 48. In 48 there are 8 ones. So the place of 8 is ones and there are 4 tens. So the place of 4 is tens. Now next, 69. In 69 there are 9 ones and 6 tens. So the place of 9 is ones and the place of 6 is tens. Now next, 56. In 56 there are 6 ones and 5 tens. So the place of 6 is ones and the place of 5 is tens. Now next, 41. In 41 there is only one 1. So the place of 1 is ones and there are 4 tens. So the place of 4 is tens. Now in the last, 42. In 42 there are 2 ones and 4 tens. So the place of 2 is ones and the place of 4 is tens. Okay. Now here I will tell you that how can you identify 3-digit numbers. How can you identify place value of 3-digit numbers? The first number is 163. And in 163 there are 3 ones, 6 tens and there is only 100. So the place of 3 is ones, the place of 6 is tens and the place of 1 is hundreds. Now the next number is 274. In 274 there are 4 ones, 7 tens and 2 hundreds. So the place of 4 is ones, the place of 7 is tens, the place of 2 is hundreds. Now next, 372. In 372 there are 2 ones, 7 tens and 3 hundreds. So the place of 2 is ones, the place of 7 is tens and the place of 3 is hundreds. Now in the last 471. In 471 there is only one 1. There are 7 tens. There are 4 hundreds. So the place of 1 is ones. The place of 7 is tens. The place of 4 is hundreds. Okay. Now here I will tell you that how can you identify place value of 4-digit numbers. The first number is 2893. In this number there are 3 ones, 9 tens, 8 hundreds and 2 thousands. So the place of 3 is ones, the place of 9 is tens, the place of 8 is hundreds, the place of 2 is thousands. Now the next number is 1264. In this number there are 4 ones, 6 tens, 2 hundreds and there is only 1000. So the place of 4 is ones, the place of 6 is tens, the place of 2 is hundreds, the place of 1 is thousands. The next number is 3289. In this number there are 9 ones, 8 tens, 2 hundreds and 3 thousands. So the place of 9 is ones, the place of 8 is tens, the place of 2 is hundreds, the place of 3 is thousands. Now next 8267. In this number there are 7 ones, 6 tens, 2 hundreds and 8 thousands. So the place of 7 is ones, the place of 6 is tens, the place of 2 is hundreds, the place of 8 is thousands. Now next 2136. Here you can see there are 6 ones, 3 tens, 1 hundreds and 2 thousands. So the place of 6 is ones, the place of 3 is tens, the place of 1 is hundreds, the place of 2 is thousands. I hope that all you have understood this topic. Now look at there. Here you can see different 2-digit numbers and you will solve this worksheet yourself. Here you will write that which digit is in the ones place and which digit is in the tens place. Okay? You will solve this yourself for your practice. Now next, here you can see different 3-digit numbers. And the place values of these numbers you will write yourself for your practice. And here you can see different 4-digit numbers. And the place values of these numbers you will write yourself. Okay? You know that practice makes a man perfect. So for practice you will do yourself. I hope you will like my video. Kindly share my video. Inshallah, we will meet again with one more new video. Thank you. Take care of you. Allah Hafiz.